Cooking Indian chicken breast recipes is almost an art form. It's not just about the spices, it's about knowing how they hit the palate in layers. Chicken breast gets a bad rap for being dry, but here's how you fix that. You start with marination. Always marinate, that's not optional. Cut slits in the chicken breast so the spices and yogurt seep all the way in. Use plain Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a mix of ginger garlic paste. Trust me, the acid makes it magic. Spices are where the magic happens. Go classic: turmeric, cumin, coriander, paprika, and garam masala. A teaspoon each should do, but adjust based on your spice tolerance. Don't skip the chili powder. Even a little adds heat that makes the flavor pop. Common mistake? Forgetting salt. Salt is a flavor amplifier and balances everything. Use about a teaspoon for 2 chicken breasts. Mix everything together, massage it in, and let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes. Longer is better. Overnight, perfection. Now we cook. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan, preferably cast iron, until it's scorching. Add a neutral oil. Don't drown it, just enough for a shimmer. The high heat prevents sticking and gives you that golden, charred crust. Lay the chicken breast down and sear it on one side for 5 to 6 minutes. Don't touch it during this time. You want that crust? Flip and repeat on the other side. Lower the heat, cover it, and let it cook through for 4 to 5 more minutes. Pro tip: use a meat thermometer. Chicken dries out past 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Pull it off the heat at 160 degrees Fahrenheit and let it rest. It'll hit 165 degrees Fahrenheit as it sits. And yes, letting it rest is mandatory. That's how you keep it juicy. For an optional twist, deglaze the pan with a splash of cream or coconut milk. Throw in a teaspoon of garam masala and a pinch of salt. Instant pan sauce. Spoon it over the chicken for a rich, indulgent finish. Serving matters. Pair it with steamed basmati rice or fresh naan. If you're feeling ambitious, whip up a side of cucumber raita, yogurt with grated cucumber, and a pinch of cumin. It cuts through the spice perfectly. Don't just cook it, plate it beautifully. Sprinkle fresh cilantro on top and a squeeze of lemon juice right before serving. Presentation elevates the whole experience, and your Instagram feed, if we're being honest. What's great about this recipe is you can tweak it endlessly. Don't like spicy? Use less chili powder. Want more tang? Add extra lemon juice. It's approachable, even if you've never made Indian food before. Chicken doesn't have to be boring. A little effort and the right spices turn it into something unforgettable. And once you've made this, you'll wonder why you ever settled for plain baked chicken breast. It's not even close.